Hello and welcome to our postpartum yoga. Today we will bring our attention to the work with our upper body. So find yourself cross-legged and with the breath in, bring your energy to the center. Let your hands slide to your heart chakra and with a gentle bow, set your intention for today's practice. We start with the gentle head rolls to the right, with the breathing in when the head rolls behind you. Breathe out when it goes down. Allowing gently warm up the muscles and reverse to the left. Slow down the breath. Gently waking up our body. And with a breath in, bring your arms up, interlace your fingers, stretch to the ceiling. Bring your arms behind your head and bow forward, elbows down, breathe out. Breathe in, open your chest. Warming up the spine, warming up the chest, opening and closing, allowing yourself to go to the side and down. Gentle tilt in your spine and down, soften in your sternum. Open, pull the elbows more to the side, micro stretch, opening the chest. Letting go in your neck. We go from side to side and stretch all the way. Open your chest. Bring your arms down. Breathe in and we're going to the right. The gentle side stretch. Opening the ribs. Bringing the arm facing ceiling. Let go in your neck. You can gaze forward or down, if that feels good, up to the ceiling. Breathe in to the other side, breathe out. Open the space in your chest. Activate the space between your scapulas. And breathe. Breathe, finding yourself back to the center. Breathe in, breathe out. Eagle arms. Right elbow under the left. You can stay here or add a gentle twist to the right. Bringing your shoulder blades close to one another behind you, increasing the stretch. Pulling the navel in. And with the breath out, coming back to the center. Unwind your arms. Breathe in. Breathe out. Left arm under the right. Feel free to interlace your fingers. And stay here. Or gentle twist to the left. Pull the navel in. Elongate your spine. Stretch and gently twist more. And gently come back to the center. Unwind your arms. And we're going to go with the breath in. Right arm on your left ear. Gentle stretch of the neck. Left arm gently touching the ground. Almost trying to push the floor away. Stretching opposite directions. Elongating the spine and let go. Switch sides, left arm to right ear. Open your elbow. Pull the fingertips deeper into the ground. Navel in. Elongate your spine. Then breathe deeply. Let go of your arm. Interlace the fingers behind you. Nice stretch in our chest. Open your chest a bit more. And stay here for a few breaths. Letting go in our chest. Bringing our shoulder blades closer together. And let go. Take the pillow away if you are sitting on one. We're going to go to our knees and hands. Tuck your toes and arch. And breathe out. Curve. Breathe in. Cow. Breathe out. Cat. Pull the navel in. Feel how the spine is moving with your tail and the crown of your head ending up together. And curve together. Keep your navel going in. Pull up the pelvic floor. Let go. Wiggle your whole spine. Release any tension that might be there. Bring your knees together, your toes together, and we're gonna go for a gentle push up and back to the heels. Just 4 more like that. Gentle push up on our knees and bringing sit bones back. Breathe out. Control, pull the navel in, building up our strength step by step, and nice stretch. Control the going down, pulling it back up, and finding nice generous stretch. With a gentle curve going back to a down facing dog, bending right knee and left, walking it out. Lifting the heels off the ground, stretching the space underneath our toes. Step by step going further. And with the next breath out, placing knees on the ground and going for a little cobra. Pull the navel in and just stay here for a few more. Elbows together, going back up, pelvis back, and to the down facing dog. Few more like that. Step by step, knees on the ground, waving your spine. Controlled push-ups and open the cobra. Open your chest, shoulder blades, and bring yourself back up. Pull navel in into your down facing dog. Going back down to your knees, opening right into the ceiling. Finding a nice stretch. Keep breathing. Pelvis aligned. And thread the needle. Going down. And we're going to stretch the left arm or just stay where you were. Finding a nice stretch in our upper body. Preparing for a happy puppy pose. If you feel like going and bringing your arm a little further, introducing a nice twist, not that far, 90 degrees, left arm to the ceiling, right arm on the floor. Keep the breath controlled, placing the arm back down to our hands and knees. Breathe in. Bring the arm back down on the ground and the left one open. A nice stretch. Gentle twist in the upper body. Controlled rotation in our ribs. Thread the needle, placing it down. Having a stretch for our upper arm. Gently crawl your right arm forward, intensifying the stretch. Let go in your spine. Let go in your chest. And move your shoulder a little further in. And open your chest to a gentle twist. Look to the ceiling. Let go in your shoulder blades, in your trapezius. And coming back up with a breath in. Open the arm to the ceiling. And breath out, coming back down. And going to our happy puppy pose. If that's too much, feel free to place the pillow under your chest. And bring the forehead to the ground. Connect to the pleasure of stretch, opening the space in between your ribs, under your armpits, and slowly shift the weight, walk back up. We're going to go for a gentle twist, right arm and left leg going to cross. You can stay here or crawl with your leg towards your foot to intensify a nice twist here. Let go. Breathe into the stretch. Release the tension. Release the leg. Stretch your left arm and bring the right foot behind you. Feel free to stay there or gently crawl with your foot towards your hand. Keep pulling your navel in so you protect your lower back. Keep on engaging the core, slowly building it back up. And unwind, let go in your leg. Slowly roll. And we're going to go onto our back for a nice twist stretch on our back. Bring back both knees. Maybe you move from side to side. Release the left leg straight and keep the right knee bent. And gentle stretch here. Feel the different stretch of the twists, different area working. Feel the space under your right shoulder getting closer to the ground. Bringing the knee back up. Switching the knees. Stretch your right leg and bring the left knee down. Let go. Take a generous breath out. Release any emotional tension that might be there. And slowly bring yourself back to the center. Move your hips from side to side. And go up through the side just to finalize. Nice stretch. Open your legs into a butterfly. You can also roll a towel to place right under your spine and stay here, or take your arms by the elbows and bring them above your chest. Another possibility is to place the brick under your spine, but for now just enjoy a gentle recovery, a gentle stretch, being soft and gentle with your body. Let go in your chest, let go in the soles of your feet, let go in your mind, softly bringing your arms back up and roll through the side, go into our cross-legged position, or nice chest opener, bringing both arms behind you and take your pelvis forward. If that feels good, bring your full hands on the ground, or you can also elevate yourself, bringing bricks under your hands, and softly bring the pelvis down for a forward fold. Interlace your fingers behind you and just bow forward. Place your head down on your forehead, or you can put a cushion or a brick in front of you as well. Gentle stretch. Moving from side to side, now your arms, just checking in the availability of your spine to rotate. Finding back the center, release your arms, stay down, and just bring your arms forward. Elevate the wrists off the ground to deepen the stretch, and with each breath, elongate your spine further away from your tailbone. Breathe deeper. Lift your head up and let the spine fall all the way up to the center. Wiggle your spine and find your peaceful center to finish the practice. With a breath in, bring your arms up. With a breath out, let them slide down. Namaste. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for being here with me.